Hello to everyone. Today we're going to talk on how to add or replace the memory for a Lenovo X1 ThinkPad. So I really took the time and unscrewed the two screws, the only two screws that you need to take off. But it's this one and this one. You're done here. You flip your computer and open it up. With very gentle, with another screwdriver, you go through here and just twist a little bit, just a little bit, in between all the panels. And when you lift it up, you go carefully because you have two wires here, and then it's going to be harder to add it. Now that once you open it, you take your memory. It has to be a DDR3, okay, 2 4 8 gigs of RAM. You slide it in, push it back in, and you return your keyboard to its original position. And that's it. Thanks for watching.